Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever created a table in WordPress and later realized you need to add another row, maybe for more data, a new feature, or just better formatting, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the complete method to add rows to a table in WordPress using the built-in site editor. No coding, no confusion, and absolutely beginner friendly. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your WordPress homepage. At the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click that. For the fastest and most secure access, choose Continue with Google and sign in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken straight to your WordPress dashboard. And that's where the fun begins. Next, in your dashboard, look for the Edit section. Under that, click on Edit Site. This will open the visual site editor where you can make live changes to your pages, posts, and of course, your tables. If you haven't used this before, it's basically a drag and drop builder that lets you edit your site visually. Super simple and intuitive. Now, if you already have a table you want to edit, just click on it to select it. But if you're creating a new table, here's how. Click the plus icon at the top left corner of your screen. In the block search bar, type table. Select the table block and WordPress will ask how many rows and columns you want to start with. Pick your preferred layout. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet because you can always adjust it later. Once your table is in place, click anywhere inside it. You'll see a small toolbar appear right above or below the table. That's your table editing menu. Click on the table options icon. It looks like a grid or a pencil, depending on your theme. From there, select Insert Row Before or Insert Row After, depending on where you want your new row to appear. And just like that, a brand new row is added instantly. You can now type in your new content, format it, or even adjust cell colors and alignment for a more polished look. And that's it. You've successfully added a row to your WordPress table in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.